Good day to my amiable students of the world that I'm teaching. So I'm back again to say something very crucial about our teaching that we have been training upwards to this extent. And today I will basically be starting from standard from, let's say I'm done with what indices. I'll be starting from standard from. For you to know more about indices, you have to go further, or you have to come back to, or you have to chat me up so that I can put you in any of my social media. You have to chat me up so that I can include you on my WhatsApp group chat so that you can learn that very more. So if you are here and you are with me here today, we are going to start from what is called the standard form. Standard form is one of the best topic in mathematics. Also, it's one of the best topic in mathematics because many mathematics do cut some part or one quarter or some part, and they do render some part from standard form when they are solving or when the solving is going on. So the one I'm going to show you today is standard form. Rather, we are going to know the description or the introduction to the standard form first before we go further or we go deeper. What is standard form? Standard form is a number like that of indices. All that means that it's a number in the form of a certain number the base or is to the power where the power is the one that monitors the times that base is being multiplied to. As mean we have a raised to power s, or let's say we have x raised to power a. So a is the number we are multiplying x to. So the difference between standard form and indices is that in standard form, when we have a number like x, when we have a number or when we're dealing with any value in our standard form, the law is not that word crucial, it's not that vital. That the law is somehow lucrative that you can solve fast. So let's go further and talk about what I'm trying to say here is that what I'm trying to say in essence is that when it comes to indices, their law we seem how what lucrative. They seems like they are too hard for a student to access or to assimilate, of which they are. But when you come to standard form, student can easily assimilate that. Even student of primary school can assimilate that. It is very very simple. That is the partial differences or between indices and standard form. There's example we have in indices we have a raised to power 8 and over a raised to power 4. This one is very easy. That is to say that we should divide a raised to power 8 divided by a raised to power 4. In as far as the two, in as far as the two are taking the same bills, all you need to do is take only one base. We have a raised to power 8. That simply implies that we have a times 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 a. That is a times a into 8 places over a times a times a times a into 4 places. Then you will divide. If we use the 1, the 4 places, the a which are the denominator that is into 4 places, I use to cancel the 1 at the numerator which is into 8 places. You will see that you'll be left with what a raised to a into 4 places. And to simplify a into 4 places, or to we have already expanded. We want to accumulate it now. To accumulate a into 4 places in standard form simply means that we have a raised to power 4. It simply means that we have a raised to power 4. That is the pure definition of standard form. Very pure introduction to the standard form. And in standard form, there are a lot of strategies and there are lots of rules and regulations that are guiding them because we just deal with the same, we just deal with value or a problem that have the same value. Let's assume we are dealing with a problem that have different value and the example that have different base that have different base. Let's example we have a raised to power 2, a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3 over a raised to power 2. No, a raised to power 4, b raised to power 6 over a raised to power 2, b raised to power 3. This one is very simple to solve also because since they contain the same base as the numerator, they also contain the same base as the denominator. But in essence, what we have a raised to power 8, a raised to power 8, b raised to power 4 over a raised to power 8, s raised to power 2. So this one will be somehow what lucrative. It is somehow look haphazardly in terms of what nature. When you see it in terms of a pictorial view, it will seem somehow haphazardly. It will seem how not normal, but you can also deal with that because it is very very simple. There are a lot of things that I would like to bring down when it comes to indices, or when it comes to standard form. Because standard form is also a broad topic like as indices. Indices, I make almost 12 videos concerning indices alone. But this standard form will not come to be like this. All I will do is to summarize my video. I'll make sure that each of my video will be in a long format so that before like 3 to 4 I'll be able to be done with one indices with standard form. Then I'll proceed to logarithm, because when I think about it and I wish the three topics, they are the three topics, which is indices, standard form and logarithm. I say that after indices is what standard form before logarithm, because logarithm did not although logarithm also play the same roles like others of the two, but there are some partial differences between them that it will not be unknown to some mathematicians. There are some partial differences between them, of which I will still bring down today. I'll bring down in my next video when I'm in terms of logarithm, because when you are trying to find a logarithm of two or more number, you are going to find the antilog to the after you have get the result. The logarithm states that logarithm law, that if you are finding or looking for this law, I'm going to state now is not new, known to many mathematicians. What I'm actually saying is that when you have a logarithm of 2 or number, they say find the logarithm of 4586 and the logarithm of 6897. All you need to do is to find the logarithm of the first one, find the logarithm of the second one. Then the result you got, you add them together. When you add them together, or you subtract them together, depending on what the value of the question says. When you add them together, or when you might subtract them together, subtract them from each other, then you find the antilog of the result obtained. When you find the antilog of the result obtained will be the final answer to that word logarithm value. That is how logarithm plays. Logarithm is also a very broad topic when it comes to mathematics. That logarithm, we are going to be in that logarithm almost 2 to 3 weeks, because it is somehow what broad in mathematics, what aspect on mathematics field that we have to teach to the roots before we proceed on that one. And then when you talk about logarithm, there are many reasons why I did not take logarithm as my next topic, because logarithm is too broad. If I take logarithm before I will take standard form, you people will forget that standard form and indices are brothers. They are just like brothers and sisters. They are very near. They are very close. They are very near. So today, well, I will still introduce more about standard form as by YouTube. This is a video that I have pursued and I'm likely to make, because all those videos I'm just making since all those days was just a short videos. So I have taken my time today to make this video to be long. You will find this my very video on my YouTube channel. So do where to follow my YouTube channel. You will also find this very video on my Instagram page. Do where to follow me there. If you want to follow me, is Suleiman Ahmad Tijani underscore. So if you want to follow me on YouTube, or anyway, assuming you share this video on Instagram, I want to follow me on YouTube to see more of my video is Suleiman A Tijani, which is Suleiman initial. My initial name is Ahmad A Tijani. So you can follow me there. Or if you want to see the video, I know the video will not be so much long in terms of my Facebook aspect. My Facebook name is also Suleiman Ahmad Tijani. Suleiman Ahmad Tijani. I'm using Suleiman Ahmad Tijani, Suleiman A Tijani. The two you can find it here. So and again, if you are here and you likely you want to see it on my TikTok account, you can still find this on my TikTok account by typing Dr. Amatijan. You will see it. That's my username on TikTok, Dr. Amatijan, Dr. Amatijan. So just do very well and make sure you follow me so that I will teach you everything about what standard form. We are just coming and I want you all to concentrate on my video. I also want you all to rate my video. That is what I'm saying. I want you to rate my video. And if you are watching my video on YouTube, please, I'm begging. I need subscription. Just subscribe. Click on subscribe button and make sure you subscribe, and I will be happy with you. I will personally be happy with you. So just calm down and see what you are going to do on the standard form, because standard form is very lucrative and somehow what broad topic when it comes to mathematics. But little by little, before the year once we go to the hardest topic in mathematics, which is calculus. Calculus have to do with maxima, minima, integration, differentiation. All those one, we are going to smash that one. When the times come, all I need from you guys is to concentrate and give me a helping hand by encouraging me. How do you encourage me so that I'll be happy? Is by subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram channel, and follow my other social media handle. At that moment, I will be happy with you guys, because that is what I need for now to be encouraged. So I love you guys. Bye for now. Bye.